So a lot of times the first time I hear from a doctor is when they find out that they need tail insurance and they're stressed. Doctors that go to med school, they don't sign up for this. They don't realize they're getting into a job that just to leave is going to cost them $100,000 or $200,000 in tail insurance to cover their reputation, their assets, their credentials. And it's something that we take very seriously, and we know what they need just by developing that relationship. So medical malpractice insurance comes in basically two forms. There's occurrence form and there's claims made form. Claims made form is the most common. It's a little bit more nuanced in the sense that you have to maintain continuous coverage in order to have any coverage, really. If you stop the policy, you need to purchase tail coverage. And that's the simplest way to explain claims made and occurrences. With claims made insurance, you're going to need tail at a later time, and it's going to be expensive, and you can't pay for it now. You can't even completely accurately calculate what it will be in 5 or 10 years because the rates could change. So people who like the peace of mind of knowing what their costs are and having more of a fixed cost may opt for occurrence form coverage. Occurrence is based on when the claim occurred, so as long as you purchased occurrence during the time that you were working, you're covered and you don't need a separate tail for that. So you have the claims made and the occurrence. With claims made, a lot of times doctors don't know that there's another option to get standalone tail coverage, and when they leave a job, they will just take whatever their employer's carrier says they have to pay, and they'll pay it and move on. It's something that I deal with every day, and I may not be that worried about because I know it's going to be fine, because I know how the process is going to develop, and you're going to get that certificate of insurance that you need to present so that you can keep your privileges and keep getting paid by health insurance and have that protection.